Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix personal hotspot keeps disconnecting on iPhone. And here's how it is done. The first thing is to focus on the host iPhone. Go to settings, then navigate to the personal hotspot section. If you have the maximize compatibility option available, turn it off. It may not be visible on older models, but newer ones will have it. Next, make sure the low power mode is turned off. To do this, go to battery in settings and ensure low power mode is disabled. When this mode is on, your iPhone tries to save power, which can affect your personal hotspot's performance. Also, keep the host iPhone turned on. If your iPhone goes to sleep, it may stop the hotspot from working. To prevent it from automatically locking, go to Display and Brightness, then Auto Lock, and set it to Never. This will ensure your iPhone stays awake while the hotspot is active. Now switch to the device that you are connecting to the hotspot with. If it is another iPhone, go to Mobile Data, then scroll down and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. This option can cause your device to disconnect from the hotspot and start using your own mobile data, so make sure it is off. Additionally, make sure low data mode is turned off. If it is on, it can slow down your connection to save data. To check this, tap the eye next to the hotspot on the Wi-Fi settings page and ensure low data mode is off. This will help prevent your connection from being throttled. That is everything you need to know about how to fix personal hotspot keeps disconnecting on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.